Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking surfaces. Place the tabletop upside down and the cabinet top in position. Once aligned, mark clip locations at 12 to 16 inches. This balances load and prevents sag. Drill pilot holes in the tabletop edge, then attach the Z-clip halves to the table using #8 screws, snug, not overdriven. Make sure to leave 1/4 inch clearance for seasonal movement. This first step locks orientation. It also prevents over-tightening later when you secure to the base. Once your tabletop clips are installed, position the table on the base carefully and engage the Z-clips. You will feel a distinct click when they seat. That assures engagement. Make adjustments. Loosen or tighten cabinet side screws slightly to fine-tune alignment, then tighten progressively so the load distributes evenly. If the top rocks, insert thin shims at long spans. Do not force clips. Wood movement demands some play. This stage ensures both mechanical security and a smooth, level work surface for daily use. You finish by tightening all clip screws evenly. Stop when snug to avoid stripping threads. Once done, run your hand across the tabletop to confirm no movement. If you detect play, loosen, reseat the clips, and retighten in order. For minor squeaks, insert felt pads or a nylon washer between metal surfaces. This dampens noise without compromising hold. If a clip fails to engage, remove the screw, reposition the clip slightly, and reattach. That small tweak usually resolves alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.